So the object of today on our pond is to give it a good old clean up and prepare it for the summer. There's some areas that need fencing because it's become dangerous with the slippy bank. So that's what we're up to. And we've got a real good team out here today, all doing their little bit to maintain the pond. Well, that's the end of a working day on the pond, and we've made this end safe for the coming season, and we'll have a little walk round and see how we've got on. And there's lots of leaf mould been dragged out. The baskets work a treat. The weighted shopping baskets work a treat. As you can see, it all looks a bit mucky, but then nature will come and take hold and repair the mess that we've made, which is really good. And then spring is springing its little bits and pieces up. Oh, look at that, we got frog spawn.
So you've got to take a picture of that.
I am. And most of the twigs that we put in are growing. Bank, the roots are going to make it more solid, even though it still will creep in. It's obvious that the natural shape of the pond should be bowl shaped, you know, with slopey sides, not steep sides, but it's working. This little bit, and we've cleaned the sluice and the outlet. That's looking good. And it's all running really nicely. Yeah, our sluice gates worked a treat. Look at that. That's got to be now 3-4 years since we put that in. So all in all, and we've taken a bit more of that blanket weed out and some more stakes. Oh, and our willow trees. There's one. Remember, we've sowed them. We planted these out 2 years ago, and they're doing well. They're looking really healthy, really healthy. And then this one, he's looking good. No reason why that shouldn't turn into a good healthy willow tree. Yeah, and there we go. There's the gang all packing up to go home. Well done, everybody. All we want now is some fish. Bye for now. Bye.